Are you ready to paint? Then let's do it together! Everyone can be an artist! Let's take a closer look at this glue. Oh, sorry, I ruined your picture, but I know what to do with it. Mix silicate glue with watercolor paint. Print out a silhouette of a model. Fill a pipette with the mixture. Apply drops onto paper and create a dress. Gradually add darker colors into the mixture to get a gradient. Make different outfits. Dress sketches made out of glue? Blondie, you have a natural designer talent. Your 3D fashion designs are absolutely amazing. This invisible painting is very creative. Brilliant idea! Cover a printed picture of a unicorn with white paper. Draw the outline. Trace the silhouette with a white crayon. Apply watercolor paint to a flat sponge with a slanted edge. Create a rainbow gradient. Move the sponge over the picture. Coat the paper with paint. The outline of the drawing stays unpainted and you can see the unicorn. Create different designs using this method. Now let's add some rainbow. And voila! What are you up to? Are you going to paint the walls? No, it's just another masterpiece. Dissolve white glue in water to get a milkshake consistency. Mix 70% acrylic paint and 30% diluted glue. Stir it well. Pour all the colors into one container. Cover it with a round board or a canvas and turn it over. Wait for the paint to flow down. Lift up the container and tilt the board until you are satisfied with the painting. Let the extra paint fall down. Coat the picture with glossy acrylic polish when the paint is completely dry. It looks like this paint is alive. It flows over the canvas. Trust the process, and you'll get a landscape of an alien planet. Everyone can paint with a brush, but Redhead wants to try something trickier. She will create a painting with thread. Place a piece of thread onto paper. Apply diluted acrylic paint on top. Create a color transition. Take the thread off. Place it onto glossy paper. Move it at an angle. Paint a feather. Add details with a brush. What is this? A picture or a knitted scarf? Look, painting with thread is easy. What about you, Megan? Can you create a masterpiece without a brush? Sure thing. I'll use my fingers. Dip a brush into white and pink gouache. Make a wavy line. Stretch out the paint with your fingers. Shape flower petals. Add yellowish-green leaves. Define details using a brush. made a beautiful bouquet of flowers. It's a painting that has its artist's fingerprints. What a creative approach! Hang on, who's here? Oh, it's a pipette. Excellent, just what I need. Mix 1 part alcohol ink with 3 parts rubbing alcohol. Fill a pipette with the mixture and apply drops of it onto glossy paper. Direct a stream of air at it. Add a drop of alcohol. Fill the entire surface like this. Write on top with a white marker when dry. A quick card made by our company. Hairdryer and pipette. All our supplies are ready. Hold on, what do we need a knife and Q-tips for? Are you going to draw or do surgery? Dampen watercolor paper with water and coat it with watercolor. Apply acrylic paint onto a knife when the paper is dry. Press the knife onto paper and move it downwards, making notches. Paint bamboos. Add long bamboo leaves using Q-tips with paint. Define details with a thin brush. Apparently, a knife and Q-tips can help you make a lovely China-inspired landscape. What a disaster! I don't know what I should paint my picture with. The colors don't match. Wipe off your tears, young Picasso. And use all the colors. Press the tips of different markers to each other. Wait for the markers to blend colors. Do it a few times so that the marker gets more colors. Color a drawing with stripes. The marker gives all the colors you put into it in order, and you get a color gradient. It worked! Why stick with one thing when you can paint with every color in one marker? Drawing the human body is pretty difficult. You need a model. Here is Blondie. Sit still. Your leg inspired me. Sketch a square in pencil. Draw a circle on top. Sketch another square and a triangle at an angle near it. Join all the shapes together with smooth lines. And you get an outline of a foot. Draw a square in the center. Add another one on top. Draw an oval. Outline fingers the same height of the second square. Draw a thumb starting from the bottom square. Define a wrist. Add details on the palm. It turns out that drawing a foot and a hand is very easy. A few squares are all you need. How do I make a 3D font? Let's ask Google. It knows everything. Write something on paper with a silver marker. Color the shade of the outline with markers. Create color transitions. You get what looks like a 3D word. It turns out that writing in 3D is easy as pie. So what's so special about this drop of water? I'm trying to understand how to make it look realistic in my drawing. Sketch out a heart in pencil. Shade around it. Define half of the heart with a black pencil. Shade the other half with colored pencils. Leave highlights. Create a color transition so you get an ombre effect. Shade the lighter part with a white pencil. Shade paper with a pencil. Erase the middle. Trace an arch with a black pencil. Make the part inside lighter using a white pencil. Outline the remaining part of the circle with a colored pencil. Shade the darker parts. Create shades. Add a highlight. Make a transition of color from dark to light. It worked! These three-dimensional drops look very realistic. There is even a heart-shaped drop for real romantics. It's an earthquake! Save yourselves! False alarm! This is just a new kind of expressive art. Apply drops of diluted acrylic paint onto canvas. Use a pipette. Hit the drops with a hammer. Fill the whole canvas with splashes this way. Put the picture into a frame. I've never heard about hammering a painting. But actually, it looks very beautiful. Did you like our drawing hacks? Then let us know in the comments which one you would use while painting with your friends. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so that you don't miss new life hacks on Troom Troom.